finally, we've come to the end of this process, a process that began way back last year, but one late and early last year, but stalled because we had challenges and bottlenecks and mitego kila mahali. But because of our new deputy party leader, His Excellency the Deputy President, when he came in, he ensured he opened up that process, unlocked and took care of every mitego, and ensured that we are here today. So today, we are happy as the UDA because we are no longer the party that locked out the rest of the nation. We are no longer the party of shareholding. You don't need a certificate of shareholding to join this new formation that we are forming today. And so our new phase is the phase of a united Kenya where every Kenyan ought to be. So we are very, very happy and say that appreciating and reflecting on the shared and common ideals of the primacy of economic empowerment, peace and development, the United Democratic Alliance Party and the Amani National Congress have today merged as one known as the United Democratic Alliance Party that is also going to change name in the branding. The party has incorporated ANC's identity symbols in the logo, imagery, topography, brand of the new merged party, and shall resultantly undertake a myriad of other changes in the governance and operations of the party. Accordingly, the following officials have been designated as the officials of the new party, effective immediately. Deputy Party Leader will be His Excellency Issa Timami, EGH. Vice Chairman will be Kelvin Lunani. Deputy Secretary General will be Honorable Omboko Milemba. Further to that, we are going to bring in ANC Secretariat members into the new formations Secretariat, that is including directors at the top level and also the rest of the staff that will support in getting this new formation forward. The said officials shall incorporate other staff members and secretariats, as I mentioned, and integrate the structures, organs, and modalities of the ANC party into the UDA party. The UDA party shall undertake merger activities, including harmonization of the core values, membership recruitment drive, among other post-merger activities. We have also formed a merger committee that will ensure that within 90 days all these activities will happen. And the pre-merger accrued coalition benefits and commitments in the Kenya Kwanza coalition have been integrated into the merged party and shall be utilized for the advancement of the merged party objectives. The party also has agreed on the transition, implementation, and monitoring of all the undertakings of the merger agreement to ensure full implementation and compliance. The new merged and stronger party will therefore embark on a renewed fundamental aspiration to promote inclusiveness, democracy, and build a robust political party that transcends the political landscape of our nation, generations, and government administrations. Long live the new party. God bless you.